We are Poins, cryptocurrency integrated system, 3 platforms with 1 coin, Poins DEX trading platform, payment gateway Poins Pay, Poins incubator, and Poins coin. 1. Duplicate your assets with the Poins DEX, www.poinsdex.com. Poins DEX trading platform is a cryptocurrency trading platform with very complete features. Trading transactions are made easier with education portals, news and analysis portals, financial portals, trader forums, promos, and partnerships on one platform. 2. Poins Pay, www.poinspay.com. Poins Pay is a payment facility for both goods and services, as well as place to store cryptocurrency safely. Advanced features and class security were protected by multi-signature technology. Flash Points, Freeze Points, Poins mobile app, Fiat Settle Points, Poins auto conversion, Pause Points, plug-in shopping carts, connect exchange accounts, and connect wallet are features that we provide in Poins Pay. 3. Running a startup using funding from Poins. Why not? With Poins Platform Incubator, www.poinsco.com, realize your startup brilliant idea into reality with ease in obtaining capital, coinization or tokenization, coaching, and mentoring. 4. Poins Coin, www.poins.io. Poins Coin is a digital asset that is built using a decentralized system in its own blockchain, using the script algorithm to make it possible to do mining, in contrast to tokens that don't have their own blockchain. Poins Coin created as a fair, transparent, reliable fundraising platform and can be used by everyone in any hemisphere. Unique ICO with unique distribution. Join in ICO, initial coin offering points immediately, and get double income and the cheapest price offer with a special discount of up to 50%. Only 20 million points will be sold when ICO with 3 phases. The first phase is 5 million points with 50% discount. The second phase is 10 million points with 40% discount. And the third phase is 5 million points with 20% discount. Referral program. Each member will get a unique referral link and you can use it to attract new investors as referrals and get 15% direct referral bonus for the first phase and 8% level 1, 3% level 2, 2% level 3, 1% level 4, 1% level 5 for the second and third phases. Airdrop program. Register yourself on the www.points.io web and join the Poins Telegram group to get 10 points for free. Introduce colleagues to do the same, and we provide an additional 5 points for the first 10 partners you refer. Hold and Share HAS program. Get unlimited benefits through the HAS program by purchasing ICO points. HAS is one of our flagship programs for point holders, where every person who keeps up points and holds it in their wallet automatically has the right to receive profit sharing from the company's profit up to 50%. Points Distribution Program. A unique plus distribution pattern provides an additional 30% bonus on the number of points you get from the total you buy when the ICO. So many benefits can be obtained. Buy a Points now!